Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa. If this is your first time joining, welcome to the family. If you are a returning family member, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again. As you can see, there's been a major change in my appearance. I have cut off all of my hair. I have removed my crochet braids and then just cut everything off. It's amazing what a pandemic can do for you. I wanted to come to you and show you what I received. This is my new Taste of Home box, and I wanted to share this with you. The opening, I have not opened it yet. All right, this is the insert. Hello Sunshine, with on the side here letting you know that this is the summer box. I'm not going to open it because it normally tells you what's inside the box. So I'm going to pull each thing out separately. As usual, we have the special delivery envelope that has recipe cards. Let's see which recipes we have this year, this season. Chunky mango guacamole. That sounds interesting. I wonder if it's spicy. No jalapenos, but maybe we can add some if we were to make it. Quick and easy strawberry jam. I've never made strawberry jam. My girlfriend started making peach jam last year, so interesting. Looks very easy. Spicy lemon chicken kebabs. Watermelon sorbet. Layered picnic loaves. This looks like a hoagie that I guess you would take on a picnic or, you know, have out maybe for a lunchtime get together. Fresh squeezed pink lemonade. What makes this pink? A tablespoon of grape juice and maraschino cherry. Interesting. And then an herb stuffed cheeseburger. That actually looks pretty good. So those are the recipe cards that are in this box. Who knows, I might make one or two of those. Some of them look pretty interesting. One of the first things that I'm going to grab is this 3-in-1 stuffed burger press. And it also has a recipe for stuffed cheeseburgers. I wonder what makes it three. Oh, it's a 3-in-1 design. Got it. So you can choose square, round, or stuffed. That's why it's called a 3-in-1 stuffed burger press. Interesting. Last night I went to the grocery store and I picked up some hamburger with the idea of making some hamburgers in the coming days. So maybe I'll try this and let you know how it worked out. Let's see, what else? Let me open this up so that we can see it a little better. This is the Joseph Dimple non-drip ice cream scoop. So if you see here, you use a scoop, and then I guess as it melts, any drippage from the ice cream melting will fall into this little handle. Drip catching collar. Interesting. And it stores upright. Oh, this is interesting. Taste of Home roast. This is coffee, and it's a medium 100% Arabica coffee. So I do drink coffee. I normally drink decaf, but I might just try this. Not might, I will, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. But I didn't know they made coffee. It says being tested, kitchen approved. Here's a look at it again. What's next? Oh, this is cute. I could definitely use this. This is Joie condiments on the go. So you have 3 different containers here, and they actually plug it as mayo, mustard, and ketchup. And so I guess especially if you're, gonna take something to work, if we ever actually get back to work in another office building, or you want to just take some somewhere. Maybe you want to have a picnic, 10 people or less, or you want to grill out 10 people or less that's not near your home, then you can actually take these individual condiment containers, and I guess you could put whatever you want in it. They're just marketing it as the traditional. But like I like sriracha sauce, barbecue sauce, you know, different things. That's kind of cute and handy. What else do we have here? This is pink lemonade cane sugar. It says gourmet infused sugar, handcrafted, small batch. Let me see if I can get this. There you go. It says its ingredients are cane sugar, strawberry, honey, and lemon. And it says give authentic flavor to, and they're showing cookies, popcorn, ice cream, cakes, and other desserts. I'm gonna have to read up on how I would actually use, I mean, you know, how to actually get it in and think about it with some of the things that I might consider cooking it with. And it actually has a expiration date of April 21st, 2023. So it'll last a while. Okay. The Ultimate Meat Shredder. This is by Barbecue Butler. And it says that it can lift, shred, and serve. I've seen people with, I don't know if it's been this one, but something very similar. But this will be really good for like when I make my barbecue beef or my barbecue pork for the summertime, you know, for sandwiches, pulled pork sandwiches or something, to then use this to shred up the meat. It says it's made of heat-resistant nylon material and it can withstand heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Not only that, they are top shelf, dishwasher safe, and proudly made in the USA. I like that. And, oh, wait a minute. I thought it was last but not least. Let me show you this. I have no, who'd have thunk it? A mini scoop. Now what would I guess I could scoop nuts, like seeds, things like that. Nice. And I guess, you know, it also sits so that it doesn't mess the counter up. This is actually kind of cute too. There you go. And you know, I'm gonna get into this one. Last but not least, Taste of Home American Summer Cookbook. Wow, I'm interested in this. I love cookbooks. You know, let me show you like this. There are pictures on every page. Some are big, some are small. It's in color. I love this. I'm hoping that it has some great recipes in here. I love that it has this kind of shiny cover and back so that if anything were to splash on it, you could easily wipe it off. It also has the placeholders for you to do that. Let me see, does it open? And it opens pretty flat. That's not bad at all. So, this is, like I said, last but not least. If you're a cookbook lover, this might be something that you are interested in receiving. I'm very happy to have received it, and I plan on getting into this this evening. Actually, let me tell you, it says fast weeknight favorites, backyard barbecues, and everything in between. I love that. I really love that. So, I don't remember how much this was because the first time I received one of these, I had a discount. I will go back and look at the charges to my account and put how much it was somewhere on the screen. I actually enjoy this. I'm looking forward to using a number of these things. I believe that they were very practical for the summer. And so let's circle back. If you go to the insert, it actually gives you a little more information on everything that was included in the box, and it gives you recommendations for how to use them, and especially they tell you how to use them in connection with the different recipe cards that came in the box. So that's very interesting. If you're interested in receiving a box, I don't know, I'm assuming that you can probably still get one for the spring, but if you're definitely interested in signing up and getting one for the fall, just go to www.tasteofhomebox.com. They don't know me, I don't have a coupon code or anything like that, but I actually enjoy receiving these. If you also received this, let me know what you think about the box. I'd be really interested to see if there are others that are as excited about the box and what comes in it, and whether you are satisfied with the items that come in it and how much you pay for it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I hope you have a great day, a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.